sweet, Stampin' with Elaine's Creations here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Merriest Trees bundle. Here is my purple Merriest Trees card. I like using different colors for the holidays, and I think this purple and blue combination is really pretty. I have started by using one of the Cherry Patterns embossing folders. These are retiring, so if you like them, make sure you get them. And it comes with bubbles and with waves. I think that's super fun. And so I've used the waves, and I'm just gonna trim off the sides, probably about quarter of an inch on both sides. And that way the back of the card will show a little bit more, but also since the embossing folder is only this wide, it just is a little trick that you can do when using it. So I have a gorgeous grape card base and a balmy blue 4 by 5 1/4 piece of cardstock that I have used the snowflake embossing folder to emboss. So I'm just going to attach this down flat with seal, and this one is going to be with dimensionals. So I've already cut a star out of some silver foil to place at the top. And I'm going to use these sparkle gems. I love these sparkle gems on the card. I'm gonna do one large one and then 2 of the little ones. And I'm gonna add some of this silver ribbon behind. So I'm just going to cut off a couple pieces. So this one I'll do right here. And then I'll do another one over here. And then I'll do one right here. And then I'm going to stamp this sentiment in Gorgeous Grape. So I'm going to use this label die from the Labels Aglow dies to cut this out. I'm going to start by cutting it once this way, and then I'm going to move this over and cut it another time this way, and then you get this shortened piece. And then I'm just going to add 2 dimensionals to the ends, the mini dimensionals. And just place it right here on the tree. I'm just going to even skew it a little bit more. And there is, you can receive supplies for this card class for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order using my current host code. So check out the current host code on my website and click on the shop link, and then email me and let me know that you would like the Merriest Trees card class.